OKRA, we use two sources of data. For example, for pricing, the first source, a lot of data is in the public domain, scattered in, for example, German and French submission documents, decisions of regulators. So we use NLP to extract, natural language processing to extract the data on a frequently basis. So we have machines getting all the right information from that data. There is clinical trial database, which is open. So it's all data in the public domain. And the second source of data that we use is legacy data owned by the private companies, the pharmacos. And we combine these two types of data to proxy and to come up with a good price prediction. For example, in Germany, we can predict the regulatory decision and the price of a drug a few years prior to launch with accuracies in beyond the 86%, which is amazing. Imagine if we have data as granular as different treatments, AMR level data. We can go to how you need to design your clinical trials. We can go to how what is the gaps. The opportunity here is huge, is massive. Just with this particular product, we can years ahead of launch predict which drugs could become blockbuster drugs. We know, as you mentioned, a regulator message in Europe is clear. We don't want incremental innovation, we want radical innovation. And I think it's a little bit of a kind of a very tunnel vision decision, because we can see, for example, in the diabetic market, where we have the insulin, it's working, it's blocking innovation there because we cannot make a radical innovation. And that is, I think, one of the key diseases in Europe that we need to address. So how can we change that? How can we get over that? And I think by being able to train an AI system that thinks like a regulator, as we do in OKRA, it's called Value Scope, we are able to see how decisions are made. And we can predict what drugs could become potential blockbuster drugs. And we can also assess which population in that particular market can benefit the most from that. At the moment, it's a product built and also used by pharmaceutical companies, but it will be really great to see how this could be expanded to other stakeholders, such as regulators and such as other stakeholders in the market, to be able to rechange and reshape the way we make decisions around those treatments.